This video is about how to plant Ulasimang Bato. Ulasimang Bato, also known as pansit-pansitan, is a small herb that grows in the garden like weeds. It has been recognized as an indigenous cure for headaches, stomach spasm, and to lower the blood's uric acid. The 3 essential requirements in gardening: space for your containers, clean source of water, sunlight. Satisfy these basic requirements to encourage your plants to grow. Also, consider the habits of the plant and which part of the plant is medicinally useful. You can plant Ulasimang Bato through seeds. You can buy these at online stores, Shopee or Lazada, or easily collect them from the plant. The best way to propagate: seeds must be sown in the mixture of soil provided in the description and planted in a seed box. This will germinate the seeds in 3 to 4 days after sowing. Seedlings will emerge in 15 days and can be transplanted in gardens when the seedlings are at least 5 cm. After a month, your Ulasimang Bato will grow like this. And when the leaves are mature, it is ready for home remedy use. Always remember, pesticides are not permitted to be used on medicinal plants.